5 tricky English words. The first one, the OUGH here makes an uff sound, like in a cup. Rough, rough. The road was rough. Now this one. The GH is completely silent. And the OU makes a sound O, like in go, go, though. Even though it was raining, we went outside. Very similar. But here, the OU makes a sound oo, like in blue. And again, the GH is silent. Through. We walked through the park. This one is different again. The OUGH makes a sound ought, like in court, ought, thought. I thought you were coming. And for our last one, OUGH makes a short sound off, like in coffee, cough. He has a bad cough. So we have rough, though, through, thought, cough. Comment the word activate if you want to become more fluent, and I'll send you the details.